Happy Tech Tip Tuesday from Mountaineer Technology Consultants. This is Booker, owner of MTC, and I'll be here every Tuesday to give you technological tips for your everyday computer needs. This week, I want to talk about your home desktop. One of the things that is usually a problem is that desktops do not have wireless built into them, especially with older desktops. So a lot of times the computer is not near where the modem is and you can't plug it in with the Ethernet cable. But something that people don't know is that you can get a USB wireless connection, plug it right into a USB port on your computer, and be able to create the wireless connection you want. They're fairly inexpensive as well. They can be anywhere probably from $15 to about $40, just depending on the type of signal you want. If this is something that interests you, it's time to give Mountaineer Technology Consultants a call. Call us at 304-263-6999 or email us at booker@mountaineertech.com. That's Mountaineer Tech, where tech is as easy as MTC.